Hello and welcome to the basics for using the Tascam DR40X. This is the Tascam here. We want the exterior input set to microphone and phantom power. We can also input our headphones and adjust the input levels on this side of the device. We can run our audio device off of a power bank via a micro USB cable. There it is. Press the button on the side. The blue light will indicate when it's on. We can also input our SD card into the side of the Tascam, but be careful opening the SD cover. The SD card will click into place with a slight push if put in correctly. Hold down the Home/Start button to start the device. Choose bus power and press enter. That's the power bank. Press enter for yes. Our shotgun mics need phantom power. Press the rec mode button on the top right to check the settings. You want the rec mode set to mono and the source set to exterior and left. Hit home to return. Plug the XLR lead into the left audio port. Pressing the record button once puts it into standby mode. It will flash red. In standby mode, you can test the audio is working. It records in mono, one channel. Pressing the record button again will pull it into record mode. It will be solid red.
This is a test to prove my point. This is a test to show what the audio sounds like.
When you are finished, hit Home/Stop to store the recorded track. Hold the Home/Stop button down to turn off the Tascam. Gently click the SD card in to safely eject it. Remember to remove the power bank cable and microphone from the Tascam.